forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on chapter 2 polynomial. First question, if the polynomial x square minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find k and a. So first divide polynomial by this polynomial. X to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 divided by polynomial x square minus 2x plus k. First term of question is this upon this, x to the power 4 upon x square. So we get x square. So first term of question is x square. Now x square into x square, x to the power 4. X square into this minus 2x cube. Then this into this plus kx square. Now subtract. When we subtract, change the sign. Minus, plus, minus. Cancel. Minus 6x cube or plus 2x cube. So we get minus 4x cube. 16x square minus kx square. So x square common. Or we get 16 minus k. X square common. Minus 25x plus 10. Next step. Minus 4x cube upon x square. So minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square. Minus 4x cube. This into this. Minus 4x into minus 2x. Plus 8x square. Minus 4kx. Again subtract. When we will subtract, sign will be changed. Plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. Now subtract. This or this cancel. X square common. So we get 16 minus k minus 8 into x square. This minus this, so x common. So we get minus 25 plus 4k into x or plus 10. This equal to 16 minus 8. 8 minus k into x square plus rearrange. First write 4k minus 25 into x plus 10. Now divide this quantity by this. Now 8 minus kx square upon x square, so we get 8 minus k. 8 minus k into x square, 8 minus k into x square minus 2x. Now multiply. Minus 2x into 8. So minus 16x. Minus 2x into minus k plus 2kx. Plus 8k or minus k square. Now separate again. When we subtract, sign will be changed. Minus sign, so cancel. Plus sign, minus sign or plus sign. Again, one term, there are three terms. This and this. Taking common x. So we get 4k minus 25 plus 16, taking common x, so plus 16 minus 2k plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. More simplify. 4k minus 2k minus 25 plus 16 minus 9 into x plus k square minus 8k plus 10. Rearrange. So this is our remainder. When we divide this polynomial by this, we get x square minus 4x plus 8 minus k is quotient, and this is remainder. But remainder is given in the question. But remainder is equal to x plus a. It means this quantity equal to 2k minus 9 into x plus k square minus 8k plus 10 is equal to x plus a. On comparing, coefficient of x on both sides and constant term. Coefficient of x in left hand side 2k minus 9 and coefficient of x in right hand side 1, and constant term k square minus 8k plus 10 equal to a. First simplify this equation. When we simplify, we get 2k equal to 9 plus 1 10 and k equal to 5. So value of one of the constant is 5. Now find value of a. Since a is equal to k square minus 8k plus 10, now substitute value of 5. Substitute value of k as 5. So 5 square 25, 8 5 ja 40 plus 10. So 25 plus 10, 35 minus 40 minus 5. So value of a is minus 5. Next problem. Obtain all the zeros of this polynomial if two of its zeros are this. So first step, let px equal to 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Since root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3 are zeros of px. Therefore, by remainder theorem, x minus first root and x minus second root. So x minus root 5 by 3 is plus are factors of px. Therefore, these two are factors, so their product also factor of px. Therefore, x minus root 5 upon 3 into x minus root 5 upon 3 is also factor of px. Now simplify this. X square minus a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 5 upon 3. Same things is factor of px. Again write this. Taking LCM. So 3x square minus 5 upon 3 is also factor of px, equal to 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 5 is also factor of px. 1 by 3 into this is factor, so this also factor of, so implies 3x square minus 5 is also factor of px, right? As it is also factor of px. Now divide px by this. Yes. Now divide this by this. This upon this, we get x square. So first term of quotient is x square. Multiply x square into divisor. X square into 3. So 3x to the power 4 minus 5x square. So right here minus 5x square. Now subtract. When we subtract, sign will be changed. Minus or here plus sign. Cancel. 6x cube plus 5 or minus 2. So plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. अब now again divide first term by first term. 6x cube by 3x square. So we get 2x. 2x into 3. 6x cube minus 5 to the 10x. Again subtract, sign will be changed. This term will cancel. We get 3x square minus 5. And now 3x square by 3x square 1. Or 1 into this 3x square minus 5. Sign will be changed when we subtract, cancel. So remainder is 0. When we divide px by this, remainder is 0. Therefore px is equal to divisor into question 3x square minus 5 into x square plus 2x plus 1. Now for remaining 2 zeros, put this quantity equal to 0. So x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Next step, this is perfect square number. We can write x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Means we can write x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Next step, product of two number equal to 0. Either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 or x equal to minus 1. Means remaining both zeros are minus 1. Next problem. On dividing this by polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. We all know remainder theorem. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. In this question, this is dividend, this is quotient, and this is remainder, and we have to find gx. So now substitute all the values. Before we have to find gx. So first find value of gx from this equation. Gx equal to gx into qx is equal to px minus rx, and gx equal to px minus rx upon qx. Now substitute all the values. Px means dividend, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus rx means remainder minus 2x plus 4, right in bracket, upon qx, x minus 2. Now simplify numerator, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, open the bracket, minus into minus plus 2x and minus 4 upon x minus 2 as it is. Now simplify, x cube minus 3x square, x plus 2x, 3x, and 2 minus 4 minus 2 upon x minus 2. Now divide this quantity by this, so we get gx. Now x cube upon x equal to x square. So first term of quotient is x square. X square into x, x cube. X square into minus 2, minus 2x square. Now subtract. Sign will be changed. minus 3x square plus 2x square. So minus x square plus 3x minus 2. अब minus x square upon x. So minus x. Minus x into x minus x square plus 2x. Now subtract plus minus. Cancel 3x minus 2x. X minus 2. X upon x plus 1. 1 into x minus 2, x minus 2. Now subtract minus plus. Cancel. So therefore gx is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Next problem. Give example of polynomials px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm and degree of px equal to degree of qx. So first let px equal to qx equal to gx equal to and rx equal to. अब degree of px equal to degree of qx. So let px equal to x plus 3 and degree of qx also 1. Means let us consider a function x minus 2. Both functions, both polynomials have same degree, x to the power 1, x to the power 1. So degree 1. When we divide px by gx, if quotient is degree of quotient and degree of polynomial both are same, it means quotient must be divisor must be constant. So let us consider any constant. It is better take 1. Smallest constant gx equal to 1. And now find rx by division algorithm, because which satisfy division algorithm. Now tell me division algorithm is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. From this equation find the value of rx. Px x plus 3, gx 1, qx x minus 2 plus rx. Open the bracket. X plus 3 is equal to 1 into this x minus 2 plus rx. Next step, x or x cancel and send minus to dead side. So 3 plus 2 5. So rx is equal to 5. Thank you.